Good evening, everyone. This is Go Lot Nyang. This news is brought to you by ZNTV News, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Building relationship. Meeting of ZIOK and Aon HR managers on January 18, 2019. Leader the Zomi in Quan, Oklahoma, ZIOK led by its chairman, Pu Hao Suan Kai, and other members including Pu Thang Suan Gin, vice chairman, Pu Do and Piang, secretary of security, and Pu Tua Som Lian, also known as Lian Boy, ex-chairman, visited Aon company in Tulsa and had a cordial interaction with Mrs. Aneda, HR manager of Aon. In the brief meeting, members of the ZIOK not only introduced its new members but also expressed its gratitude and appreciation to Mrs. Aneda for her continuous support to ZIOK during the last few years. The appointment of Sia Lian Thang and Sia Ma Vumnu as full-time interpreters and for allowing the service of Sia Mang Pi, also known as Daniel V. Tang Pua, who has earned legal license from the government to help employees in legal-related matters are highly appreciated. Aon Company in Tulsa provides employment to a large number of Zomi community who, for the same reason, chose to settle in the large number in Tulsa, Oklahoma State. Being the largest Zomi employer in Tulsa, Aon has not only become a workplace but a home to the Zomi. The relationship between Aon and Zomi in Tulsa is clearly reflected in the interest and help given by the company to Zomi community. In 2015, Chief Financial Officer CFO Mr. Scott, who is also the son of company owner Mr. Norm, attended the celebration of Harvest New Year Festival of the Zomi, known as Kodo, in Tulsa. The following year, company's senior supervisor, Mr. Panel and Mr. Kwana, attended the same event and delivered encouraging messages. The company also showed its dearness to the Zomi by giving $10,000 in 2 installments as financial assistance to ZIOK during 2015-2016. In 2017, Mrs. Aneda, HR manager, gracefully accepted the invitation of ZIOK to Kodo Festival celebration and gave a talk which was warmly received. The Zomi Namni Zomi National Day celebration in 2018 was attended by Plant Manager Mr. Gordon, which meant HR Manager Mrs. Aneda, Mr. Lewis, Mr. and Mrs. Panel, Mr. and Mrs. Kwana, and Mr. Aldrin. In the event, Mr. Wichman delivered a speech as a mark of gratitude to the continuous support of Aon. Then, the ZIOK chairman, Mr. Tua Som Lian, also known as Lian Boy, presented 2 books, The Indigenous Zomi and ZIOK Directory, to Mr. Norm and his son, Mr. Scott. On August 10, 2018, Zomi MPS, Member of Parliament in Myanmar, who were invited to Tulsa for the Zomi conference, paid a visit to Aon, during which Mr. Scott and HR manager Mrs. Aneda received them warmly and also presented Aon annual report book to each of the visitors. Aon is one of the biggest company in the world which manufactures air-conditioned machines. This company is uniquely known for the financial benefits given to its employees. It gives profit-sharing bonus to each of the employee after every 3 months, provides health saving and retirement plan. It gives free ESL class taught by teachers from Tulsa Community College to employees who need to learn English. It gives free ESL classes taught by teachers from Tulsa Community College to employees who need to learn English. ZNTV wish the very best to Aon and pray that this company continues to become home to numerous Zomi community. To those who wish to work in Aon and know more about it, contact our action group staffing in church, Mr. Dalpi, also known as Ginzo. Office number 918-382-6265. Cell number 918-606-7705. This information is provided by Mr. Tua Som Lian, also known as Lian Boy, an ex-chairman of Zomi Community and also currently chief editor at ZNTV. Thank you all for watching ZNTV News. Again, this is Go Lot Nyang.